Imagine pressing the start button and hearing an engine note that instantly reminds you why the Ford Mustang is more than just a career, it's a legend. The 2026 Ford Mustang takes everything people love about this American icon and sharpens it for a new generation, blending raw muscle, modern tech, and everyday usability in a way few cars can match. From the outside, the 2026 Mustang looks instantly familiar, yet noticeably more aggressive. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance scream classic Mustang DNA. But the sharper LED headlights, redesigned grille, and sculpted body lines give it a modern, performance-focused presence. The rear end feels wider and more planted, with updated taillights and a diffuser that hints at serious power underneath. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, the Mustang still turns heads like nothing else on the road. Under the hood is where the Mustang truly earns its reputation. For 2026, Ford continues to offer a range of engines to suit different drivers. The turbocharged EcoBoost delivers impressive power with better fuel efficiency, making it a smart daily driver that still feels quick and fun. Step up to the legendary 5.0-liter V8 in the Mustang GT, and you get that deep, thunderous exhaust note along with thrilling acceleration that pushes you back into the seat. The response is instant, the power delivery is strong, and the sound alone is enough to make any enthusiast smile. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed, and the 2026 Mustang proves that. The chassis feels more refined, with improved suspension tuning that balances comfort and sharp handling. It feels confident in corners, stable at high speeds, and surprisingly comfortable on long drives. Drivers can choose between a manual transmission for a more connected, old-school feel, or a fast-shifting automatic that makes the car easy to live with in traffic. Step inside, and the Mustang shows how far it has come. The interior is driver-focused, featuring a modern digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen with the latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and connected services make it feel like a true 2026 car. The seats are supportive and sporty, the materials feel more premium than before, and there's enough space to make daily driving practical, even if the rear seats are best for short trips. Safety and driver assist features have also been upgraded. The 2026 Mustang includes advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, giving drivers confidence without taking away the fun. It's a muscle car that understands modern expectations. What truly sets the 2026 Ford Mustang apart is its personality. It offers real performance, iconic design, modern technology, a wide range of customization options, all at a price that still feels accessible. Whether you're a lifelong Mustang fan or someone looking for a stylish, powerful car that delivers excitement every time you drive, the 2026 Mustang proves that legends don't fade, they evolve, okay? And sometimes they get even better.